Hi folks there, Brian Smith here. Got something different today to show you. Got a Panasonic brand record player turntable that we bought from a nearby thrift shop rescue mission store. It was only $6, so take a gamble, see if it works, see if the motor's good, see if the stylus does any is good. Sometimes these old turntables need a new stylus or a new cartridge. Bud, get out of there. And my annoying black cat's getting in the video. You're not in this video. I don't care. So anyway, here it is. It's a stacking style. It's got a BSR style um, turntable unit, which are fairly reliable once you get them to work. Common problems with these is they seize up if they haven't been used in years. Another common problem is that you got to take them apart and oil the motors, oil mechanisms. A lot of times the mechanisms seize up. In this case, so far, everything seems to be working. The platter does move pretty good, but we'll plug it in and see if it's getting any power to it. It's an interesting design because the needle, as you can see, has a brush on it, so keep your records even cleaner. So yep, this is a stacking turntable, they call it. You put this on top, stack your 45s on. The only reason I bought it is so I could play my 78s. I have nothing to play my 78s, so I was looking for something cheap to play my 78s on that needed a little bit of work, which, you know, if it does need a little bit of work, it doesn't need too much, and I'll spend a little bit of money cleaning it up and all that. But let's plug it in and see if it does anything and go from there. Okay, we got it plugged into the wall socket. We got it on 16 RPM right now. Now we're going to turn it on and see if our turntable's doing anything. And right now it's moving. That's a good sign. Well, it shut itself off. Well, there it goes. Might have to oil a few mechanisms. This is good. Definitely got life in that motor. Actually, we got it on the wrong setting. Okay, we want it on just plain on. Okay. It's definitely doing something. We got life here. We're on 16 RPM right now. What the heck is going on with you? Okay, we got it on manual. You got to have it on manual to get it to keep going. Otherwise, the fully automatic arm will go. That's how this turntable's designed. Okay, so far we got a healthy motor. Let's turn up the speed to 33 RPM. 33 RPM, the motor's spinning. The turntable platter looks very balanced. Motor sounds good. 45 RPM. And 78 RPM. 78, 45, 33, and 16. And this turntable might have a good needle on it. Okay, so the motor's good. The motor's working. The mechanisms are all working, which is rare. Most of these BSRs, usually I got to take them apart and lube up the motors. But in this case, we're doing good so far. So we're going to clean it, hook it up, and see if the needle and the cartridge are any good, and we're going to go from there. So first we're going to clean it, then we're going to test the needle and the cartridge out. Right now, nothing needs to be oiled or taken apart so far. We'll keep you updated, folks.